Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, every time I post a photo on my Instagram of me wearing my Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires, I get lots of questions like, oh, you seem to wear that a lot. Is it really handy? How much fits? What do you put in it? So I thought I would do a quick video just to show what fits inside my Pochette Accessoires and what I carry with me on a daily basis. I have definitely gotten my money's worth out of this piece already. I've probably had her for less than 6 months, I want to say, and I've used her so much anywhere. Playground, errands, supermarket, school pickups, weekends, weekdays, casual, doesn't matter, just any time. And I bought this long vachetta strap from Organize My Bag. You can find them on Instagram as well as on their website. This one works beautifully for me because it's adjustable and I can wear it crossbody so that I can be hands-free. You guys know that's my favorite way to wear a handbag. I also have some beautiful chain straps from Organize My Bag, which makes it a little bit dressier, but I don't have that with me at the moment. And then I also have this one here. I don't know if I ever showed this on my YouTube channel, but I definitely showed on my Instagram. It's this really nice cotton band, wide band strap. This is from Dress Up Your Purse. It has vachetta leather here, Dress Up Your Purse, and they too can be found on Instagram or on their website. But yeah, this is super comfortable, so I kind of switch it up. And even though they both have vachetta leather, because I spray all of my vachetta immediately with Apple Guard spray, you guys have asked me about this, you can get it on Amazon. Apple Guard will protect the raw leather from watermarks and stains. It will still eventually get that beautiful honey patina, but you don't have to be so terrified of getting it wet in the rain, in the snow. If your hands are wet, like I don't baby these at all. So this I will definitely wear in the rain without second thought. Here too, the color is a little bit different on my tab because I sprayed this one first and then later, a couple months later, I bought the strap. So the patina process started a lot earlier with this tab here, but I sprayed it and so you can see it's starting to change color. So let's open this baby up and I'll show you what I carry on a daily basis. And this is pretty much it. I don't put much else in. It's not overstuffed. It's perfect. So because I am filming with my phone, I just put my case and it's the iPhone 7 Plus size. So there's my case right there. And then here are my keys in here. Okay, my key pouch, which comes with me pretty much everywhere. Then in here, this is my Christmas animation coin purse from 2019, very special to me because you can see it has the Venice print on it, and my daughter and I went on our very first mother-daughter trip to Italy, which included a stop in Venice in 2019, so it is sort of like a commemorative piece for me. It's the only Christmas animation piece that I have. By the way, I know that Louis Vuitton has made the 2020 Christmas animation pieces available online, and some of you have already gotten really lucky. Some of you have already received your orders, which is really early considering it's still only September. By the time I upload, it might be October, but I got this almost around Thanksgiving time last year, so seems pretty early. So here are my earbuds. You guys know, sometimes you tease me. I don't use the AirPods because they fall out of my ears, so I still have the really old school Apple earbuds, but they work for me and I keep them right in here, nice and tidy. And let's see. So these days I've been using my mini O case from Chanel. It's this beautiful bubblegum pink. I have shown you this. I picked this up along with a few other goodies from Chanel on my birthday recently back in July. And in here I just have like a bunch of cards, some bills, some hand sanitizer, some Benadryl tabs for my kid who has peanut allergy, some Band-Aids. Yeah, so this is it. This serves as my catch-all / wallet. I don't have to have a separate wallet. It's actually really handy. It's definitely slimmer than the mini pochette, so it fits really nicely in here. And then I've got currently my favorite lipstick. I don't even know if I should call it a lipstick. It's almost like a lip stain. It's so light. This is the Givenchy, what is it called? I think it's called like Le Rouge Perfecto, and this is in the perfect pink. So I have that with me just because it's pretty moisturizing and it serves almost like a lip balm, and it's very subtle in the color. And then on the side pocket here, I have an extra face mask because if I ever lose the one on my face or it gets dirty or the string snaps, then I have a backup, right? Because most places still in Manhattan, you cannot enter without a mask. So I have that handy. Or sometimes my kids are with me and they forget their masks, so I always have a backup. The older pochette accessoires do not have this pocket, but I think this is really handy because it keeps it kind of clean and separate from the other items. So that's what it looks like empty. It's very, very simple, kind of that chestnut lining. The Damier Ebene version of this, you guys probably know, was discontinued. So if you have that version, you are lucky as it's no longer available. Hasn't been for a while. And then the Damier Azur, really, really pretty. I know that some of you have that piece. I think for me, that will get really dirty very quickly. So I'm happy with the monogram. And some of you recently got really lucky on the website and was able to snag this online. And I hear all kinds of like tips and tricks like, oh, if you go out online at like 3 o'clock in the morning, they have more inventory. I don't know if that's true. I've never really tried it. I probably won't be doing that just because I don't want to be up for hours and hours just checking the website. But I do know that stalking the website does work sometimes. So, let me show you quickly. I am not dressed for mod shots. I am literally, maybe I will, no, I don't think I'm going to do mod shots right this second, but if you're curious, I'm pretty sure I have photos on my Instagram of both of these straps. I just want to show you, see how the hardware matches pretty nicely. I love these companies that creatively make these accessories to go with the Louis Vuitton items, because if you were to get a Louis Vuitton strap, that would cost you a lot of money, much more than what these kinds of things are going for. So this kind of, I wasn't trying to go for the multi-pochette look, but it kind of reminds me of that. Like if I were to hang my mini pochette, my coin purse or my key pouch or something on here and make it like a 3-pack and wear this crossbody, it could look like the multi-pochette. It's not my kind of look. I'm not going for that. But if you are, you could do that. There was another YouTuber on here who talked about not buying the multi-pochette because she had so many SLGs along with the pochette accessoire, and she could literally like make her own multi-pochette. So why pay another $1,000+, almost $2,000 for a very, very similar item? So yeah, this one's really comfortable. I think the wider the strap, the more comfortable it tends to be. So hope you enjoyed this video. Since I did receive so many questions about what I carry in here and what fits, there it is. Seems like, I mean, this is perfect for me. It looks snug, but it's definitely not overstuffed in any way. Ta-da! No wonkiness in the zipper, still some air pocket and space up here. So yeah, this is such, if you can get your hands on it, such a versatile, handy piece. Really, I love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it in any way. And if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and join the fun. Thanks so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.